Hi, good evening. Welcome everyone to Post Market Analysis with Jagdish Chandran. Today we will be discussing on what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on and key levels to watch out for. Nifty Bank Nifty spot highlights. Nifty on an intraday opens around 19,791, tests the lows of 19,700 to rebound up to 19,820 zones to close the day above 19,800, positive 0.14%. Bank Nifty opened around 43,630, tests the highs of 43,690 to see profit booking, slides up to 43,230 to close below 43,450 zones, negative 0.55% for the day. Bank Nifty comparatively is with weaker bias. The advanced decline ratio negative. Advanced decline ratio stood at 0.68. The advances 74 versus declines of 109. India VIX stood at 11.87, negative 2.94%. Nifty supports for the week is at 19,600 followed by 19,550. Resistance for the week is at 19,850 followed by 19,900 zones. On the derivatives front, Nifty futures resistance placed at 19,900 followed by 19,940. Supports placed at 19,730 followed by 19,600 zones. Bank Nifty futures resistance placed at 43,800 followed by 44,000. Supports placed at 43,200 followed by 43,100, 42,800 zones for the week. Bank Nifty is comparatively weak with selling visible on all rises. Is it a consolidation or a distribution? A question mark. Stock specific actions to continue. We have been mentioning to add quality stocks to your long-term portfolio for wealth creation to achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching. I believe our market updates is helping viewers in investment and trading decisions. If so, do hit the like button and share it to your loved ones looking for market updates and interesting insights. If you are watching our channel for the first time, do subscribe our channel. See you in our next video. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.